What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new restock video for you and I'm super excited. Just a quick reminder, we do open the shop every single Friday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and that is when the new slimes are restocked. So make sure you check your local time, and if you're in a different time zone, convert it from Central Standard Time. This restock, we're actually doing something pretty cool. We're giving away one free 32-ounce slime to the 2 largest orders, and I also have a coupon code for you all to save 10% off your entire purchase. Just use the code FEELGOOD at checkout. So the slime that you've been watching is obviously Chanel No. 2. If you've seen any of my restocks or know anything about my slime shop, you know this is my best seller. She is thick and glossy, scented like Bubblicious bubblegum. In this clip here, this slime is actually my personal, and it's a little underactivated, believe it or not, but she's still the thickest girl that I know, honey. So, you know, if you want a thick slime and you want something that's glossy, super bubbly, and holdable, then this is the one for you.
Just wants a Baja Blast. Can a bad just get a Baja Blast? Like, that's just it. Baja Blast for bad only. 2020. Hear ye, hear ye.
Okay, Nikita, I feel like this slime doesn't even need an intro now because of you. Thanks, girl. But I'm gonna do it anyways. Obviously, this is Baja Blast. It's scented just like a real Baja Blast that you would get at Taco Bell, and it's so good. It's a really nice icy cloud hybrid texture, and it's amazing. Super sizzly and really fun to play with. It gets squishy, yet you can fluff it up and get some drizzles out of it. It's just like the best of any world, to be honest. Mud Mask is another one of my best sellers. This one is green tea and lemon scented, and it's really nice. This one is another hybrid slime as well. It is a hybrid between a cloud cream and a butter slime. So it's very spreadable and creamy, yet very squishy as well and pokeable. I just really love this slime so much. I feel like the more that we make it, the more we improve on the creaminess, and it's just so good. Very sizzly as well, and it's a snatch for sure, honey. This next slime is called Pineapple Upside Down Cake, and it resembles a pineapple upside down cake. Surprise, surprise. This one is a clay slime on top of a jelly slime, and it's super good. Smells exactly like the name, and it's just amazing. There are some red fish bowls down at the bottom to represent little cherries, and it also comes with a pineapple charm on top just to, you know, finish the overall look. And I really love this slime. When you mix it together, it becomes a really nice, almost buttercream type texture, and yeah, it's just really good, and it turns orange, so that's cool if you like orange. Real quick, I just want to let you all know that we are doing a $5 merch sale on select merch. So if you want to get a hat or a shirt with our logo on it, you can definitely do that and just add it into your cart for $5. Or you can also get a Shook shirt, and we have all different sizes, so it's really, really cool. And this will count as a purchase towards the largest order when we're giving away our 32-ounce slime as well. And back to the slime we go. This one here is called Sangria Sparkle, and it's so pretty. I love it so much. It is a foam slime, so it has a bunch of foam beads in it. It's actually scented like sangria and bubbly champagne. It smells really, really good. And it's topped off with not only those foam beads, but also a little bit of sugar beads to make it look like crushed up ice, and a bunch of glitter as well to make it sparkling, of course. I love this so much. The texture is so addicting because it's super, super crunchy when you mix everything together, and it becomes really bubbly as well. So if you are one for ASMR bubble pops, this is the slime for you. Banana Split Gumballs is probably my favorite slime this restock because it comes with cracking clay. You heard me right, honey, and it's inspired by actual real double bubble Banana Split Gumballs. It's insane. So this here comes with an 8-ounce base slime scented like Banana Split and 3 cracking clay gumballs. You can totally keep these separate. You don't have to add the cracking clay into the slime, but I chose to do that, and it was so fun. This slime here is actually a school glue base, and it's super amazing and creamy. It's like the perfect base for this kind of slime. It's just amazing, and it's scented like Banana Split. It just smells really good. So as you can see here, this slime is super fun to mix, and it's just really cool. The cracking clay actually feels like you're breaking open a gumball, and it's really nice. When you add this into your slime, it makes the slime super creamy, yet it has a little bit of clay pieces from the outside layer of the cracking clay. It's just super nice and definitely very unique. Unicorn Milk is a new slime to the shop, and it actually comes in this cute little container here. I think it's so adorable. It's actually scented like cotton candy and sweet cream. It smells really good. It's also a school glue based thickie, so it's a thick slime, yet it has some really good stretch to it, and I really like that. It smells amazing. The texture is really cool, and it holds about, I would say, a little over 5 ounces of slime in here. These milk bottles do come sealed as well, so there should be no spillage during shipping, and you should get it perfectly. Ramune Candy is a jelly slime inspired by the Ramune soda candy. It'll actually come with one as well, and it also comes with a packet of water beads and a little marble that represents the Ramune soda. I think it's just super cool. It's actually scented like this as well. If you've never had a Ramune soda before, it's scented like the original one, which is basically like a bubblegum lemon lime soda type of vibe. This one is not unfortunately clear all the way yet. However, once it gets to you, it'll be clear. You can kind of see like at the bottom it's already started to clear. But yeah, I think we all know by now what a blue jelly slime looks like once it's cleared, especially because I've done one before. But yeah, it's just a really nice texture. It's super squishy and thick, and I love it so much. And if you've never tried this candy before, you're gonna love it. The candy is super cool because it's almost like a chewy kind of texture, almost like a taffy, and inside of it, it actually has like this popping candy. So that's why I decided to add in the water beads to give it that popping candy effect, and this will actually plump up in the slime as well, and it'll look like regular Orbeez. This slime here is another school glue based sticky. It is Oreo milk. I actually haven't used the Oreo scent in forever, I feel like, and it's one of my favorites, so I definitely wanted to do something with that. And I also feel like I don't make enough school glue thickies like without any glue all, so I decided to go ahead and do this slime here. It has a little bit of black glitter to represent like crushed up Oreos, and the scent is so good. It smells like an Oreo McFlurry actually. Unicorn Laffy Taffy is a new slime, and I think it's beautiful. Personally, I love it a lot. It's scented like rainbow sherbet and saltwater taffy, which smells amazing and mouth-watering together. It smells so good. This is actually a new texture that we are doing in the shop. It's a thick and glossy with a little bit of clay in it, so it's very thick and glossy, but it has a little bit of a squish to it because of the clay, and it's just overall really nice and totally resembles the texture of a Laffy Taffy. Alrighty y'all, well that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget the shop does open at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so if you live in a different time zone, you'll need to convert the time to Central Standard Time. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!